What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Civic back again with another pack of Crown Zenith. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Let's see what we can pull out of today's pack. Man, I feel like I've been gone forever. Only been a couple of days, but I'm back with another pack. Let's get it cracked. Gonna start with that Psychic Energy, Croak, Energy Switch, Giraffe Rig with the face on his tail. Don't know why. Core Fish, probably because he's a Palindron, Ponyard. I don't know. The world may never know. Seal, Rockruff, Aeron, Keldeo, Galarian Gallery. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful freaking card. Oh my gosh. Gumshoe's non-holo rare. I'm so glad they're getting rid of those. But man, this card is gorgeous. Shout out to Ito on the artwork. Man, I have enjoyed this Galarian Gallery. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell if you want a free code card. Leave a comment down below. Also, let me know what you think about the Galarian Gallery. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of the day.